Is your Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote blinking an orange or yellow light and refusing to pair with your TV stick? Don't worry, let's go through a few quick steps to get you back to your favorite show. Now, the flashing orange or yellow usually means your remote is in discovery mode and is having trouble connecting to your device. So first, let's try a simple fix. Just press the home button once on your remote. In most cases, the blinking stops right away and it just automatically reconnects your TV stick. And while you do so, also make sure you are within 10 feet of your TV. Now, if it's still blinking, unfortunately, try replacing the batteries with a fresh pair. Because you know what? The low power is one of the most common reasons these remotes lose their connection. Now, just in case if it's still showing orange LED, now it's time for a full hard reset of the remote. So for that, you can either unplug the Fire TV Stick completely from the back of your TV or just unplug the power adapter from the power source. Now to start the reset process, grab your remote and you're going to press and hold the menu button, back, and the left navigation button at the same time, like this, for about 15 to 20 seconds. Just make sure you press all the buttons properly. Now after that, what you're going to do is just remove the batteries from the remote and then leave it aside for like a couple of minutes. After that, reinsert the batteries and plug the Fire TV Stick back in or reconnect the power adapter depending on whatever you have unplugged earlier. So when your stick turns on, all you gotta do is just press and hold this home button on the remote till this blinking orange and yellow LED shows up. Just wait a few moments till the light comes and then goes away. And what you can do is just press any navigation button to speed up the process. And as you can see, in a moment, it'll be reconnected to your TV stick and it should see a pop-up on the screen confirming that the remote is successfully connected. And your problem will be fixed, blinking LED goes away, and your remote is now connected to your TV stick. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.